How to use. Thread the lamp stand bracket through the upper bracket and tighten screws to secure it. Insert the upper bracket rod into the lower bracket rod. Adjust to a suitable height and rotate to tighten. Install the lights. Unscrew the screws of the lamp stand bracket. Then insert the lamp bracket rod into the lamp stand bracket. Finally, screw the screws on and tighten. Install the thermal jet head bracket. The bracket direction can be moved. The sprinkler head can also move direction. Install the cold spray nozzle bracket. The bracket direction can be moved. The sprinkler head can also move direction. Lamp use. Connect the power plug of the lamp to the power supply. The rotary button under the light is to adjust the light brightness and switch. The height can be adjusted by bending the light bracket rod. Before use, it is necessary to cover the customer's eyes, prevent direct irradiation to customer's eyes and cause discomfort. Open the lid of the thermal spray inlet. Infuse distilled water approx. 500 milliliters. There is a red line for the highest amount of water. Do not exceed this red line in the amount of water. Close the lid. Connect the hot and cold power plug to the power supply. Hot switch. Light switch. Turn on the hot switch. Heat the water to a boil. After boiling, a spray with ozone is sprayed by a thermal spray. Before moving to the customer's face, it is necessary to test the temperature by hand before moving it to the customer's face. Before moving onto the customer's face, it is necessary to cover the customer's eyes with a wet cotton pad or towel. Move to the customer's face. Adjust the direction of the nozzle so that the spray evenly covers the entire operating area. Remove the cold spray nozzle. Inject distilled water. There is a red line for the highest amount of water. Do not exceed this red line in the amount of water. Put the cold spray nozzle back in. The white rotary button is the cold spray switch and spray size adjustment. After moving on the customer's face, and ask the customer if they are uncomfortable.